We'll analyze Nifty's approach to its all-time high, fueled by Powell's dovish signals and global market optimism. Plus, we'll discuss the potential impact of Nvidia's earnings on tech stocks and what to expect from upcoming inflation reports. The good news, the Dow Jones sets new high overnight trade, also its first record close since mid-July. In early action, GIFT Nifty is seen struggling. The street may be jittery ahead of Nvidia's earnings report in the US on Wednesday. The US chip maker will likely need to post another blockbuster quarter and issue a beat guidance to help technology stocks keep marching upward on excitement over AI. Our call of the day suggests that Nifty bulls will aim to hit its record high at 25,078.30 mark. We say so because the trading theme revolves around the crystal-clear dovish message from Jerome Powell's Jackson Hole speech. Powell is ready for rate cut. Now, from here on, the big question is, 25 basis point or will it be a 50 basis point? Well, the Fed outcome on 18 September will depend on the 3 inflation reports and 1 US employment report on 6 September. The 3 inflation reports. 1. The Personal Consumption Expenditures (PCE) Index, which is the Fed's preferred inflation gauge to trickle on 30th August. 2. The Consumer Price Index (CPI) Retail Inflation report on 11th September. 3. And on 12th September, traders will have to brace for the Producer Price Index (PPI) Wholesale Inflation report. Long story short, the day's outlook offers plenty of bullish opportunity for fireworks at Dalal Street on backdrop of a dovish Powell. Global cues are positive. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 483 crores while DIIs bought to the tune of Rs 1870 crores. Nifty sentiments continue to remain bullish. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals are indicating massive breakout on the upside. Fando August month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 24,300 to 25,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index are at 13.79 levels. Nifty PCR, 29th August, is at 1.22 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 28th August, is at 0.77. Nifty outlook, bulls will continue to steal the spotlight. Nifty, CMP to 5011. Key intraday support on Nifty is placed only at 24,750 mark. Immediate resistance is placed at 25,100 mark. Range for the day is between 24,900 and 25,150. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 51148. Bank Nifty's biggest support seen only at 50,547 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 51,951 mark. Bank Nifty is likely to trade between 50,705 and 1700. Bias for the day is positive. The positive takeaway from yesterday's trade was that Nifty reclaimed its psychological 25,000 mark, and most importantly, closing just within striking distance of its all-time high at 25,078.30. After a string of gains for 7 days, Nifty is fast approaching its biggest hurdles at its all-time high at 25,078.30 mark. We suspect, above Nifty 25,078.30, the most aggressive bulls will rush to revise their Nifty's targets higher for a market that keeps ragging on. India's GDP growth numbers for the June 2024 quarter will command investors' attention on 30th August. Source: Trading Economics.